Introducing the WA or Tycos Silver Ring Hand Aneroid Blood Pressure Silver Ring Trigger Release Hand Aneroid Sphygmomanometer. This innovative device features an easy-to-use trigger release air valve for smooth and even deflation with just the press of a button. With a latex-free design for safety, this unit also boasts a one-piece cuff that is more durable and user-friendly. The thermally treated diaphragm ensures accurate calibration, while the zinc die-cast housing provides mechanical stability. The double shell ABS housing adds durability, and the ergonomic design allows for comfortable use in either hand. With a lure lock for easy cuff size changes and a polyester zipper case for storage. This sphygmomanometer is a must-have for any medical professional. Trust in the quality and reliability of the WA or Tycos Silver Ring Hand Aneroid Blood Pressure Silver Ring Trigger Release and Aneroid Sphygmomanometer for accurate blood pressure readings every time.